Currently, my roles and responsibilities are I play the role of a technical project manager come architect for most of the Saviynt engagements, domestic and global. So I'm grateful and lucky to be part of this 3 days comprehensive L200 Saviynt training. Before the training and after the training, we asked for the key takeaways, right? So there were the new technologies or the new features that has been embedded into the product and the rollout that Saviynt is doing, right? So as part of this training, it was a good experience to understand the features, like in a live session with the help of a very good trainer, Prema, and the in-depth knowledge that has been imparted as part of the program. I definitely go back and implement this in the client environment. The most important key takeaway has been how the agentic AI and how AI ML is embedded in the system and is going to help us deliver quicker, faster, and more secured way to the customers. So after this training, I do feel a lot more confident, and the way I should uh, look into the problems and the way I should as a consultant when I go out to the market, right, when I talk to the customers, and the different in-depth knowledge that has been imparted on me as part of this training, right. So I feel a lot more confident when I will go out and talk to the customer. I talk about the features and I show demo to the customer of the different product features. Along with that, when I talk about how the entire program has been facilitated, and I am really it has been a great experience to come down to the Bangalore office, how all the things were organized, arranged for us, and it was a very uh, smooth journey for all of us. And definitely I would recommend each industry experts, new learners, beginners, grads to enroll for this course. And I would recommend this course to everybody within my organization and my friends and colleagues outside of my organization as well.